Today we are here to support the Kenya Anti-FGM board in launching a mobile application called Pasha that will be used and will be helpful in reporting cases of FGM, tracking those cases, and allowing communities to report anonymously cases of FGM during, when the act happens. We have chosen Timaru, a sub-county, because it's among the Kuria community that is one of the communities that practices this. And the timing is also because we are anticipating that schools will be closing soon, and children will be coming for very long holidays during November and December. And that is normally the time that the cutting happens. So this application is free of charge and can be downloaded from Google Store. Anyone can download it and can use it to report cases of FGM anonymously to authorities, to people they trust, and also to the Anti-FGM board in the country for action. So this application has been developed over time, and we have tested it in counties. For the time being, it will use internet, but we are also in discussion with the board and the developers that we can develop an additional function within the application that can use SMS platform. So that is one of the lessons that we learned when we were doing the testing of the application. So places that are remote, that do not have internet access, we are in the process of developing an internet-based functionality that allows people to use SMS platform.
Okay, my name is Nyerere Kutwa, Programs Manager, Anti-FGM Board. So today we are here to launch the Pasha application. That is a mobile application that will be used to report real-time cases of FGM. And as you know that FGM has been a very big issue here in Kuria, but we've been having challenges of reporting. So in partnership with the UNICEF Anti-FGM Board, we've been able to develop this mobile application to be able now to complement other existing reporting mechanisms. So of course we have 116, we also have 1195 for reporting cases of GBV and concerning children, but we feel that we can still improve on that and also come up with another application, which we are now calling the Pasha application. And we are here today to meet stakeholders from Kuria. Among the participants that we have here Timaru Timaru Sub-County Anti-FGM Steering Committee. We also have Maendeleo Wanawake. We have a Youth Anti-FGM Network. We also have Dengaos. We have religious leaders, among other stakeholders, because we believe that for us to be able to end FGM, we need to be multi-sectorial. We need to involve everybody. That's why we are here today, to engage this particular community so that they are sensitized on the need to uptake the application for the sake of enhancing our reporting avenues and also mechanisms.
My name is Reverend Omo Kenneth, Gender Director, Migori County. We know very well that the President had issued a decree that FGM must end in this nation by the end of 2022. There have been challenges to this. That's why we really appreciate the coming up of Pasha today, because that's going to take us a long way to help fight this vice. Well, we have had a few challenges in meeting this target, some of which include the cross-border FGM, because you know here our communities transcend the border. So we've had that challenge of some FGM taking place across the other side. And that's why we are going to have meetings. We have had meetings with our neighboring country, Tanzania, and soon we are also going to have another meeting to try to work around this so that the FGM ends that side and also ends on this end. Well, we also do have challenges that are caused by what I would call cultural beliefs, challenges that are caused by spiritual cultural beliefs, stigmatization and all that. It's been a journey, but I would like to say that a lot of effort has been made, and we can safely say that we have reached about 50 to 70% in eradication, right from word of mouth to documentation reporting to using phones and using authorities that are on the ground, Nyumba Kumi, the pastors, the religious community, the Ngao. And so to merge all this together, then the Pasha now comes as an interface of all this. The other interesting thing about Pasha is anybody else can download it from Google Store and be able to be part of the reporting. So it's a beautiful thing that reporting goes to the grassroots and to anybody else that is willing to take part in this. So we really appreciate for Pasha today. Even today in this meeting, we have had clan elders here with us, and they're very supportive. They have reassured us again in this meeting today that they are with us in this effort. And we have seen effort that they are making, including and engaging the spiritual aspects of FGM. Last year we did have a meeting together with them, and they reported to us that they are very, very willing to end it. So it's been a very positive engagement with clan elders, and going forward, we see a lot of change.
So we are really glad today that UNICEF and other stakeholders who have been supporting our county and also ensuring that the community are rallying behind abandonment of FGM in Migori County, especially in Kuria community. And we are looking forward to leverage on the Pasha app that has been launched today by the Anti-FGM board in support of UNICEF. And we are going to take that platform to rally more young people to ensure that we leverage on our skills on using internet, to ensure that we report, we fast track cases reporting when they happens, before they happens, and even any suspected case of FGM within the villages. And we are looking forward to also cascade these and also sensitize and share information, because young people are really, majority of young people are using internet, and I think this is something that majorly target us as young people of Migori County and especially Kuria. So we are looking forward also to share it across the cross-border, that is Tanzania, and we are looking forward also to share it with other young people, with other media personality, to ensure that we just use it, to ensure that we come to the clarion call of ending FGM. So this is something that we embrace, and this is something that we are going to work along, not only with UNICEF, but other partners. We have AMREF, we have those who have been supporting our county, and also young people in different forums, and also to ensure that we use media to end FGM in Kuria.